going on, brother?
I'm going down. Gonna ride hard down to the biking club.
How good you bake. You've got a pair of tits, you've got a slice of cake. You'll fit right in down at the baking club. So come on down, gonna bake me some love. Oh yeah. Just ignore these friends of mine. They don't appreciate your huge cake that's mine. And alcohol, JD's just fine. And they'll come round, it's just a matter of time. Oh yeah, yeah. You got melted chocolate all down your tits. Girl, I can't take much more of this. You say you got me some cream and scones. Girl, wait till I get you all alone.
Listen, boy, put it away. Put it away, yeah. Gonna get my clean washing and put it away upstairs. Cause you're a dirty boy. You're such a dirty boy. I'm gonna get my clean washing and put it away upstairs in the drawer. Listen, told you once, I've told you twice. I know you think 3 would be nice, but I don't swing, I don't bake that way. What would she think? Oh, what would your wife say? You lick melted chocolate all off your tits. I don't think your wife could cope with this, so we'll just leave her there at home, making naivety all alone. Yeah.
Listen, girl, come to bake night down the baking club. It's invite only, so you know you should. I've made you pastry, because I want your love. You'll have my sausage roll, it's gonna taste so good. My sausage meat is between your tits. Oh, my wife's not really much into this. You know I've tried it on with her, of course. She didn't like that, my special sauce. You feed me cake, and everyone can see. You're so easy, you're all so make-believe. I feed your ego, cause you're a friend of mine. I took a crock of shit, I saved your life. Oh, but I get a great time. Oh, yeah, yeah. I lick melted the biggest one that I've ever known. I'm gonna have it all when we're both alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I lick melted chocolate off your tits, off your tits. Girl, I can't get enough of this. You're teasing me with cream and scone. Give it all to me when we're alone. So I'll have your cake, I'm gonna eat it too. It's made so easy, a wife plus a girl like you. And when I've had my fill, you will be all alone. But I send more bullshit, yeah. Wrap your arms around your bone, oh yeah, yeah. I lick melted chocolate off your tits, off your tits. But if my wife should hear of this, she'll be filing for a quick divorce. And I don't want you that much, of course, no, no, no. Though it's nice that you keep those panties special. Oh yeah. I said it's nice that you keep those panties special. Don't ever come knocking on our door. You know your place.